everyone, let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE with India's largest learning platform Unacademy. Crack all the CBSE exams with us. All the top educators are going to teach you the quality content and you are going to have a great learning experience. कैसे है पुराने वीडियोस देख रहे हो ना? सारे सुपर 30 के वीडियोस जितना हो सके उतना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करो बच्चों. ऑलरेडी इट इज सितंबर 15th, सितंबर 18th, ऐसा डेट है, डेट्स भी भूल जा रही हूँ मैं. अभी क्या, अभी तक आपने नहीं पढ़ा, कोई बात नहीं. अभी तक आपने पढ़ाई ठीक से नहीं शुरू की है, कोई बात नहीं. ये सारे वीडियो जो भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है वो भी प्लेलिस्ट भी है. पूरे क्वेश्चंस बहुत ही इजी वे में आपको एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. सो यू जस्ट गो फॉर दैट प्लेलिस्ट, follow all my videos, go to my profile in the Unacademy profile, Unacademy app, go to my profile as Vijaya Manorama Govindu. Just follow me there, you will get all the notifications, all the videos you can watch. Okay, अभी तक अगर आपने पढ़ाई नहीं शुरू की तो भी ये प्लेटफॉर्म बहुत ही अच्छा है. अगर आपने पढ़ा लेकिन एक चैनल, प्रॉपर चैनल में आप पढ़ना चाहते हो तो भी बहुत अच्छा चैनल है. तो इसलिए लेट्स क्रैक 9th and 10th CBSE को सब्सक्राइब करो. गो टू माई प्रोफाइल इन द अनअकैडमी ऐप विजया मनोरमा गोविंदू. जस्ट फॉलो देर. इफ यू फॉलो मी देर यू विल गेट ऑल द नोटिफिकेशंस ऑफ माई क्लासेस, ऑफ माई कोर्सेज. ओके, so as hello my dear scholars, I am G Vijaya Manorama. As teaching is my passion, I am here. You can find more about me at the rate of Manuvedam 7472. अभी तक सुपर 30 में 4 सीरीज खत्म हो गया. हाँ, ये हमारा अभी 5th सीरीज है. सो 30 एटलीस्ट 30 बच्चे अगर मेरे साथ कंटिन्यूसली फॉलो हो जाएंगे तो उनका 10th क्लास में ओवरऑल साइंस का A1 गारंटी है. क्यों बोलो? अनअकैडमी ऐप पे मैं साइंस लेती हूँ, पूरा फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो पढ़ाती हूँ. यहाँ इस चैनल पे फिजिक्स का जितना हो सके फिजिक्स का पूरा स्टफ मैं दे रही हूँ. CBSE, from CBSE, whatever CBSE is launching, whatever the types of questions CBSE is giving, each and every variety of questions I am discussing. So in this platform physics you can be perfect, and in the Unacademy app bio, chemistry, physics वहाँ पे चल रहा है, बहुत अच्छी तरह से पूरा चल रहा है. So just only the thing is you need to practice now. So अभी भी देरी नहीं हुई है, just join me. Okay. So here it is a super short introduction about me. Let's crack 10 CBSE by using the referral code VMCBSE. Crack all the CBSE exams with India's largest learning platform by taking the Plus subscription. If you take the Plus subscription, you can access all the unlimited live and recorded courses from India's best educators. India के top educators, more than 150 top educators are there, those who are going to teach you in this platform. Okay. सो उसके लिए आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन लेने की ज़रूरत है. अगर आप सब्सक्रिप्शन लेंगे तो क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स है? डेली लाइव क्लासेस चलेंगे, स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेज, लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विजेस, अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस, डेली लाइव क्लासेस. यू कैन चैट विद द एजुकेटर्स, मल्टीपल एजुकेटर्स आर देयर. बहुत सारे एजुकेटर्स है, जिनसे मर्जी, जिनके साथ आप पढ़ना चाहते हो उनके साथ आप पढ़ सकते हो. आप चैट कर सकते हो एजुकेटर्स के साथ. You can engage in the discussions, you can ask your doubt, you can answer in the polls. सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के PDFs मिलेंगे, नोट्स मिलेंगे, वो भी बहुत इकोनॉमिकली, ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी लो कॉस्ट. ओके, स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेज, सारे एग्जाम सिलेबस के लिए कैसे तैयारी करने की जरूरत है, दोज ऑल थिंग्स इन अ स्ट्रक्चर्ड मैनर, यू विल गेट ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स. नेक्स्ट बेनिफिट इज लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विज़ेस. Live tests and quizzes will evaluate your preparation with our regular mock tests and quizzes. The regular mock tests and quizzes whichever we conduct, it will give you a detailed analysis of which area you are very much strong, which area you are very much weak, where you need to focus more, where you can practice. Okay, where you can practice twice or thrice, and where you have to practice 5 times or 6 times. So based on that, based on this analysis of your performance, you can go for your different strategies which we are discussing. You can follow those all things. Next benefit is unlimited access. With one subscription you can access all the live and recorded courses. Okay, for all the subjects. Okay, not only for one subject, for all the subjects you can just access for all the live and recorded courses. अगर आप किसी काम से बाहर गए हो and you miss the class, you can go for the recorded one n number of times you can listen the recorded ones. Okay, so only the thing is your internet signal should be very very strong. ओके, सो यहाँ सबके लिए एक ही कोड है वीएम सीबीएसई, ये कोड यूज कर लो। यूज करने से ये जो 1 मंथ का 6 मंथ्स का रहता है, ये पूरा क्रैश कोर्सेस रहते हैं एक सब्जेक्ट को 1 मंथ में या 6 मंथ्स में ऐसे खत्म कर देते हैं। अगर प्लान्ड तरीके से आपको पढ़ना है, इन अ प्लान्ड मैनर यू वांट टू रीड, गो फॉर 12 मंथ्स कोर्स, 24 मंथ्स कोर्स एंड 36 मंथ्स कोर्स। ईएमआई ऑप्शन ऑल्सो अवेलेबल। ओके, 36 months course. As you are in class 10th, your goal is fixed, you want to do something in the intermediate. After the intermediate exams means +1 +2, you want to go for IIT, you want to go for NEET. So most of the children, they prefer for these two things only. If you want, all the different sectors also there, but the children who want to concentrate on this, okay, the children who want to concentrate on these, 36 months option is the best of the best options. It means only 800 rupees you are paying per month. It means per day 25 rupees you are paying, and you are reading all the subjects. Okay, so when you are applying my code, 1 month course will be 2250 rupees, 6 months it is 9000, 12 months it is 13500, 24 months it is 22500, 36 months it is 28,800 rupees. Don't forget the code VMCBSC. ओके, जब आप सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे तो VMCBSC डालो और सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लो। ओके, अभी तक स्पेशल क्लासेस आप अटेंड कर रहे हो, स्पेशल क्लासेस फ्री अटेंड कर रहे हो। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू रीड live classes from India's top educators who are going to teach you the comprehensive syllabus of mathematics, social science, Hindi, English and science, which is included with physics, chemistry and bio. Okay, we are in touch with the Telegram app also, Quest and CBSE. Type this link in the URL and go for all the updates. Unacademy app आपको इंस्टॉल करना है। इंस्टॉल करने के बाद गोल फॉर CBSE क्लास 10 करना है। Then you have to go for subscription by using the referral code VMCBSC. Okay, so surround yourself with positive energy. If you stay positive, you can work positively and you can achieve the success. So always stay positive. Okay, surround yourself with the positive energy so that you will also feel positive always. इसी के लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, अगर आपने नहीं शुरू की अभी तक पढ़ाई, this is the right time to start. If you have started, continue with the practice. More practice is needed. That practicing you can start from now onwards. Okay, repeated and important numericals, सुपर 30 का जो सीरीज है मैंने अभी लॉन्च किया है, इसका अभी पार्ट 5 हम करने जा रहे हैं। ओके, so here is the first question. So what are the things given? How is this color? What are the things given? F is given. What are the things given? Okay, F is given. An object 4 centimeters high is placed at a distance of 6 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeters. Find the position of the image formed. So what is the focal length given? Focal length is, it is concave mirror. Concave mirror का focal length क्या होता है बता दो एक बार? 12 centimeters. ओके, फोकल लेंथ नेगेटिव होता है 12 सेंटीमीटर्स हो गया। u इज इक्वल टू -6 सेंटीमीटर्स। v you need to find. ओके, so what is the formula? Mirror formula 1/f equal to 1/u plus 1/v. okay, 1/v equal to, you can substitute the values, -1/12 plus 1/6. okay, this only -1 plus 2/12 equal to -1/12. okay, b is equal to 12 centimeters. B is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay. Answer in the chat box. Okay, next one. A student wants to project the image of a candle flame on a screen 60 centimeters in front of a mirror by keeping the flame at a distance of 15 centimeters from its pole. Write the type of mirror he should use. How can you tell? How can you tell which type of mirror he can use? Find the linear magnification of the image produced. What is the distance between the object and the image? Draw the ray diagram. Okay. So student want to project the image of a candle flame on a screen 60 centimeters. Okay. On a screen it is 60 centimeters by keeping the flame at a distance of 15 centimeters. So what are the things given? Given देखो V equal to minus 60 centimeters. Okay. U equal to minus 15. Which type of image it is forming? A student wants to project the image of a candle flame on a screen. Okay. It is 60 centimeters in front of a mirror. So V by U. If you do V by U, M is equal to minus V by U equal to minus 60 by minus 15. Okay, so minus will go cancel and minus 4. Minus 4 is defining that image is real and inverted and enlarged. In which case real and inverted enlarged image is formed, it is concave. Concave mirror. Is it visible here? Okay, A is concave mirror. How you said it is concave mirror? As the magnification previously we have discussed. What do you mean by magnification? Minus means real and inverted below the principal axis. 4 means more than 1. It is enlarged. Okay, so concave mirror, as the if it is enlarged and real and inverted, it is concave mirror. Image formed is real and inverted. Okay, so ये हो गया A. B is the linear magnification produced. This is B. Okay, what is C? What is the distance between the object and the image? Object and the image. C is 60 minus 15 equal to 45 centimeters. Okay. How? Okay. Suppose this is the concave mirror. Pole, focus and center of curvature. This is Q. Here you can see pole, PQ. Okay. So object distance is what is the object distance? U is 15 centimeters. Okay. Object distance is 15 centimeters. Object distance is V is 60 centimeters. U is 15 centimeters. V is 60 centimeters. Like this, the image will be image you need to draw. Okay. Next, draw the ray diagram to show the image formation in this case. That is the homework. You draw it. Okay. How you will draw? Concave mirror. Object will be at focus at F. So the image will be at image is, if the object is at F, image is beyond C. Okay. So like this ray diagram you need to draw. This focal length is itself is this thing. Okay. Beyond C the image formed. Here it is 15, this 30. 30 means that is 60 behind the. What is the distance between the object and the image is 60 minus 15 unit. Okay. So next question. An object of height 5 centimeters is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a concave lens of focal length 10 centimeters. If the distance of the object from the optical center of the lens is 20 centimeters, determine the position, nature and size of the image formed using the lens formula. Okay. So what are the things given? Height of the object is 5 centimeters. U is minus 20 centimeters. F is minus 10 centimeters. V you need to find. Okay. So what is the formula? 1 by F equal to concave lens. So lens formula you need to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So 1 by V equal to 1 by F plus 1 by U. Okay. 1 by V equal to 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by minus 20. Okay. LCM हो गया 20. This minus 3 you will get. So V equal to minus 20 by 3. Solve it. 3 6 is 18. Minus 6.66 centimeters. Okay. Image is which type of image? Object distance is minus 6. Okay. If the distance of the object from the optical center of the lens is 20 centimeters. Okay. Determine the position and nature of the nature and size of the image formed using the lens formula. Okay. Now magnification m is equal to hi by ho equal to v by u. Lens formula no. Okay. उसके बाद hi equal to ho into v by u equal to 5 into you can go with 20 by 3 minus 20 by 3 into v by u 1 by 20. ओके ये हो गया v का वैल्यू माइनस 20 by 3 इट इज 20 विल गो 3 will come down. Okay, so minus 20 get cancelled. So 5 into 1 by 3 equal to 5 by 3 equal to 1.66 centimeters. 1.66 centimeters. Okay, so next. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस अगर देंगे ना थोड़ा सा सॉल्व करो बेटा. Okay, all of you solve it slowly. You solve. If you are not understood here, one more time, 2 times read out the question. Practice this. First you write down what are the things given. After given के बाद formula डालो और apply कर लो. Okay. So v is equal to minus 20 by 3 also you can use minus 6.6. 6.6 वगैरह देंगे ना पूरा कैलकुलेशन फिर से गलत करोगे आप. ओके सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज टेक दिस एज फ्रैक्शन ओनली सो दैट 20 विल गेट कैंसिल. ओके what is the next question? Calculate the distance at which an object should be placed in front of a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeters to obtain a virtual image of double its size. Okay, in the above given case find the magnification. If the image is real, express it in terms of relation between v and u. Okay, what are the things given? Only focal length is given. Okay, f is equal to 10 centimeters, u is equal to what? Double magnification is plus 2. Okay, so m equal to v by u 2 equal to V by U otherwise. Okay? 2 equal to V by U. So V equal to 2U. This we got. Substitute 1. This we have to substitute in the formula. What is the formula? 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Okay. So 1 by 2U minus 1 by U equal to 1 by 10. So minus 1 by 2U equal to 1 by 10. Okay. Substitute the values. This 10 will come here. 5 U equal to minus 10 by 2 equal to minus 5 centimeters. Okay. If the image formed is real, if the real image, for real image, if the image formed is real, focal length is 10 centimeters, magnification is minus 2. Okay. So V by U equal to minus 2, V equal to minus 2U. 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Okay. 1 by minus 2U minus 1 by U equal to 1 by 10. Minus 3 2U equal to 1 by 10U. So U equal to, just substitute these all things. U equal to minus 15 centimeters. Okay. What is the object distance expressed in terms of here? In terms of, if you see also, you can. Here V is equal to 2U. Okay. U equal to minus 5. U equal to minus 15. 2U got. Okay. ये 2U का क्वेश्चंस कभी भी देने से कंफ्यूज होते हो, इसलिए प्रैक्टिस ज्यादा करना है. ओके. डबल इट साइज, वर्चुअल इमेज ऑफ डबल इट साइज यहाँ क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है. डबल इट साइज का मतलब क्या है? मैग्निफिकेशन डबल हो गया 2. व्हाट इज मेंट बाय पावर ऑफ लेंस? राइट इट्स एसआई यूनिट. कल हमने किया था एसआई क्वेश्चन. पावर ऑफ लेंस हमने कर लिया. अभी एसआई यूनिट इज डायोप्टर. ओके. P is equal to 1 by F. P1 equal to 100 by F equal to 100 by 40 equal to plus 2.5 D. If focal length is positive, focal length if it is positive, which lens? Which lens? Convex lens. Okay. So now another is minus 20 centimeters. Okay. A student uses a lens of focal length 40 centimeters and another of minus 20 centimeters. What is the nature and power of each lens? Okay. So this is P1, P2 equal to 1 by F2, F1, F1, F2 is given as minus 20 centimeters. Okay. So P2 equal to 1 by F2, F2 equal to 20 by 100. Okay. Meters equal to 1 by 5 meters. So P equal to 1 by F equal to minus 5 D. Okay. Here the power is minus 5. What is the nature and power of the lens? Power of the lens is here P1 is plus 2.5, P2 is minus 2.5. Okay. Next, an object of height 4 centimeters is placed at a distance of 30 centimeters from the optical center O of a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeters. Draw the ray diagram. ये बन गया आपका कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. ओके. Mark optical center O. Focus F of the diagram. Also find the approximate ratio of the size of the image to the size of the object. So based on this, let us do 1 by F equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. This is the lens formula, no? So 1 by 20 equal to 1 by V minus 1 by minus 30. So 1 by V equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30. Okay. Equal to 3 minus 2 by 60. So V equal to 60 centimeters. Okay. Magnification ले लो, HI by HO equal to V by U. So HI you need to find because ratio is asked, no, size of the image and size of the object. HI equal to 60 by minus 30 into 4 centimeter. Here it is given now 4 centimeters. F equal to 20 centimeters. Okay. So what is HI? HI equal to 8 centimeters. Minus 8 centimeters. Okay. So ratio of HI by HO equal to HI is 8, HO is 4 equal to 2 by 1. So the ratio is 2:1. Okay. So where the object should be placed? Object should be placed in between the two focus. Okay. U is 30 centimeters. Behind F2. ओके ऐसे आपको रे डायग्राम भी ड्रॉ करना है. रे डायग्राम अगर समझ में आए तो सम्स कर सकते हो. समरी ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करो. समरी ऑफ कॉन्केव लेंस, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, कॉन्केव मिरर, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, समरी याद रखो. रे डायग्राम्स अगर याद रखोगे तो कर सकोगे. नेक्स्ट, a ray of light falls normally on a face of glass slab. What is the values of angle of incidence and angle of refraction of this? And when a ray of light falls normally on a glass slab, then I equal to O, 0. Then R also 0. Now B. Light enters from A to a medium X. Its speed in medium X becomes 1.5. Okay. So velocity in the medium is 1.5 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Speed of the light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. What is the formula of refractive? N is equal to C by B. Okay. So C is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second and V is 1.5 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. That cancel. Okay, 30 by 15, 2 is 30. Refractive index doesn't have units, so 2 is the answer. Okay, ऐसे सम्स बहुत इजीली आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो. 3 मार्क्स के देते हैं, 3 मार्क्स आपको आ जाएगा. ओनली फॉर्मूला, सब्स्टिट्यूशन, सॉल्व इट. ओके, तो बस प्रैक्टिस करो, जितना हो सके उतना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करो. ओके, अनअकैडमी ऐप यू नीड टू इंस्टॉल किया कि नहीं? इंस्टॉल कर लिया होगा. ओके, आफ्टर इंस्टॉलिंग यू हैव टू गो फॉर CBSE क्लास 10th. Then subscription. What is the subscription code? PMCBSE. PMCBSE करके आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लेना. ओके, so these are the plans. 12 months 24-36 are the best options. Just go for it my dear children. अभी से पढ़ाई अच्छी तरह से शुरू कर लो. बेस्ट ऑप्शन है ये तीनों. ओके, डोंट फॉरगेट द कोड BMCBSE. जब भी आप सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे तो ये कोड डाल देना. 2 PM, 5 PM and 7 PM in the app classes. Do join all of you. Take care. Okay, bye bye. Good night.